Hello and welcome today. Hope you have clicked the subscribe button and the bell icon to turn on notification. Okay, you have done well. Now I'm going to show you the reason why many people are not successful trading forex. Okay, let's talk about you for instance. You start trading forex, you got yourself a strategy, maybe you developed it yourself or you got it from another expert trader. Then you stop in the real money market and start placing trades. Everything is going fine, you are making money, you are getting profits. So then you feel you have made it. You start to imagine things like next month I'm gonna buy myself a car and other stuffs like that. Then all of a sudden you start to lose money. You place a trade with the same strategy, but it's no more giving you profits like it used to. This same strategy was making profit before, but now it is running loss. So you decided to tweak the strategy. So then you decide to tweak the strategy, you make minor changes, and then you start making money. Later on, you start to lose. You do same changes on and on and on. It just keep going that way. Then you lose faith in the strategy, you go in search for another, then you find another by any possible means. Hopefully you start to make money again. So later on you start to lose again. You tweak the strategy, you make some minor changes, you start to gain profits, and later on you start to run loss. You tweak again, you make profit, and later on you start to run loss continuously. You then lose faith on that strategy and give up on the strategy, go in search for another, you get another, you start making profit, you start running loss. Continuously you go in this process. Continuously you are doing your trading with different strategies which works at first and later on they are no more working. You will never make money like this. It doesn't work, jumping from one strategy to another. So this is how you can break through. 1. You need to have confidence in your strategy. I will upload a video on how you can know a good strategy very soon. So subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to allow notification so you won't miss it. So I said you need to have confidence in your strategy. Don't jump from one strategy to another. 2. Know the characteristics of your strategy. That is, knowing how the strategy works, when and where it works perfectly. Understand which trend favors your strategy. Some strategy works well when the market is consolidating, while some works perfectly when the market is on an uptrend or a downtrend. So you need to understand the behavior of your strategy. Know its wins and fails. Try to understand why a certain movement occurred in your trade with the strategy. Observe previous market movement to see how the strategy acted on the market. Spend time to understand your strategy. If you got the strategy from an expert trader, don't rely only on the point he gave you. Don't rely only on the signs and instruction he might have given you. Try to discover more points from that strategy. When you spend time analyzing and understanding that strategy, you will be able to discover further points and signs that strategy are giving. You will be able to figure out reasons why certain things happened, why certain movements happen in the trade. So those are all knowledge. They are being added. You gain more experience on how to use that strategy. The trader can never disclose everything for you. You are to discover more yourself. Having done all this, you will be able to figure out when and how to use your strategy and start making profits. But note that not all strategy is a good one. But how do you know a good strategy? No problem, we got you covered. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to turn on notifications so you won't miss the video when it is uploaded. It will be uploaded soon. So subscribe and make sure you turn on notifications so you'll be notified once the video is uploaded. The video will be uploaded soon. From that video, you will learn how to know a good strategy, how to know if this strategy will work for you. So thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up right now. Thank you.